amigos, here are your directions for today, El 9 de Junio. So we're starting our final exam review today. So first thing I want you to do is the communication form, which is a little bit longer than usual, but it's just to get an idea on how well you feel about all of the topics that will be on the final exam. So just rate yourself 1 to 5 on all of these topics and then choose 2 that you want to review the most. And then you'll submit that for me. And then you're going to start working on your study guide. So the study guide has grammar, it's got vocabulary, it has culture, your writing paragraph, your speaking section that's going to be on your exam. All of that is there. You can fill it out using Kami. So you can push this button here that says Kami. You can download it and then push the button up here that says Kami on your browser, or you can print it and handwrite it to do this. I'm giving you several days to work on it. So it says it's due today, but it's really due by Friday of this week. But if I don't put it today, then nobody sees it until Friday. So I'm giving you 3 days to work on it. You're going to do some periodic other practices as well throughout the week to review the different parts of your test. But you can use Kami to fill this out. So I have all of the grammar on here in order of when we learned it. And then at the very end, I've got the culture that we studied, the writing portion that you'll have, the speaking questions that you could be asked. So there are 8 questions on here, and I'm going to ask you 4 of them. Random 4 questions. So you'd be prepared to answer any of these 4 questions verbally. And then at the very end, I have some review vocabulary. So what I did is I went through the exam and I picked out the words from each section that I thought were the most important words for you to use, because we've learned probably about 100 words, 125 words this semester. So to pare it down for you a little bit, I picked out the most important ones and I put those at the end for you to study and focus on. This isn't saying that this will be all the vocab, but it's definitely the most important stuff. So you'll fill this out and you'll submit it here on Schoology for me. Again, I'm going to give you 3 days to work on it, but there are other things that you're going to be doing throughout the week to practice for your exam. So if you have any questions, any help, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day. Adios.